I want to talk about one of my favorite new cards, and that is the Citi Custom Cash. I just got this card recently, and it is pretty dang good in terms of rewards. Now, to start off, it is a $0 annual fee, which I know is pretty important to a lot of people. And the big bonus to this, obviously, is the rewards that you get, which is 5% back per billing cycle in a category you choose. So basically what that means is I get 5% back for me on gas for any gas station I go to in a month cycle, as long as I spend less than $500 on gas, which I never spend more than $500 on gas in a month. That might be different for you though, obviously. So this is something you have to figure out on your own. The big benefit here obviously being that I have a minimum cash back of 5% whenever I go to a gas station, unless it's something like Costco, which requires Visa. Now, you might be saying to yourself, maybe you do not have a gas-powered car, maybe you have an electric car, or you live in a city like New York City, where purchasing gas is either a rare occasion or just not an occasion at all for you. Don't worry, there's other categories for you. So restaurants, grocery stores, select travel and transit. I haven't looked into this, so I don't exactly know what that means, but I'm assuming it's a little more restricted in terms of like what airlines maybe. Streaming services, drug stores, home improvement stores, fitness centers, memberships, for example, and live entertainment. So essentially you pick one of these categories and it is adjustable. So if, for example, you end up getting a Tesla downline, you no longer need gas, you can change your category. That's not a problem. But I think for a lot of people, 5% back on gas would make sense for most people, as long as it's a place that accepts MasterCard. And then a little bonus here, besides the no annual fee, is you get $200 back on your first $1,500 in purchases in the first 6 months. So you have to spend at least $1,500 in the first 6 months, and you'll get $200 back, which is a pretty good deal if you're already going to be spending that $1,500. Obviously, don't spend money just to get $200 back, but if you're already spending it anyways, I'd say that's a pretty good deal. But yeah, for me, I think the card has a ton of utility. I think it's really worth looking into, especially with gas prices starting to climb again. This could be a great resource for you. So look into it. It's the Citi Custom Cash one more time. I'll put a link in the description for you to check out. I don't get a referral or anything. There, as far as I'm aware, isn't even a referral program. But I thought everyone should know about it. Great card. Look into it. Think about signing up. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.